Hello, trading is closed on August 24th, 2020. Let's do our disclaimer, then go over our calls. It's my plan for tomorrow, although this is a time when the longer-term picture to me seems a bit clearer than the picture for tomorrow. And if you post your own call, please give the reason. Had a few calls. We had this target. We said unless we gapped up smartly, it should print. We gapped up smartly, so it's off the table before the market opens. We added to the list. Should print at some time. Need not be anytime soon. We had mixed signals. Commonest thing is a gap and prompt move outside the day's range. That's it. We call for the pattern with the early low. That's it. And tomorrow has the early high. And just what we said, commonest thing is a gap, prompt move outside the day's range. Said unless we gapped up smartly, that should see the target, but we did gap up smartly, so that's killed before the open. MEJT said this drop wouldn't stick, and we'd retrace, which we did. Well, this is a TDST line. DeMarc's resistance level goes to one of the bars over the line. So another bar on top of this one is a major breakthrough past resistance in his work. It's hard to see us stopping here, but that's what his work said. So all we have to do is go a little bit higher. And according to his work, we've broken through resistance. Here are the Gann fan lines we showed. We broke through that as well. Still possible to reverse this tomorrow. You have to get confirmation by trading past today's close by 1 cent, but it doesn't look as if that's going to happen. So that's another breakthrough resistance. Well, this is the 1-by-1 Gann fan line from the top of wave 3. That's where we are. It's additional resistance. So I guess you could make the case if we reversed right here that this could be a false move, and you could still make the case for this ending, but I think it's becoming increasingly more difficult to do this. I think that was a significant breakout, and once you get confirmation, trading a little bit higher, looks like we have a bit more to go on the upside. It doesn't tell us how we trade tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's pattern has a really high. Typically, it's a down day with the last hour low, but if there's really strength, it turns the tables. Higher prices print in the days to come, even if the day does trend down. We have a strong gap over recent highs. Should lead to higher prices. All we need is to trade and ideally close past today's close for confirmation. With a breakout like this, I think I would expect that to happen, even if it doesn't happen tomorrow. Shorter term, we have a 50-50 chance of gapping down because there's a wall into the close. If it weren't a new all-time high, the odds would be even greater than that. We also have resistance from the Gann fan line, and that's on the daily. It broke through the monthly. And the DeMarc TDST line. So there is still some resistance here, but that's a pretty strong breakthrough. And regardless of what happens tomorrow, it looks from this as though higher prices are coming. This would have to be reversed quickly and convincingly to invalidate this breakout. Tomorrow has the early high, and that's today's call.